Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm here in our garage by our 1935 Ford again. And today we're going to be putting a new master cylinder on it because ours is leaking. Alright, now I'm here underneath the car and I'm by our master cylinder. There's 3 bolts that hold it on. There's 1 linkage and a brake line that you take off. It's pretty simple to work on. Alright, now I'm inside the car, and then your access for it to refill it and stuff is right in over here in front of your seat on the driver's side. Just flip your little flap up here, and then there it is. And for our new master cylinder here, we're going to be bench bleeding it, and here's the kit here that we're going to be using. Alright, we got our fitting in, and the kit came with black tubing. We're using clear so we could see the bubbles. And you fill your master cylinder with brake fluid 1/4 inch to the top, and we're using an old punch. There it is, to engage. And you continue to do this until there's no more air in your system. Alright, now I'm going to spray our bolts holding the master cylinder on with some PB Blaster. Alright, now I'm going to loosen up our bolts that are holding our master cylinder on. I'm using a 9/16 socket, but yours may be different.
Remember, don't loosen too much stuff.
Alright guys, got our new master cylinder in here. Got 1 bolt in already, bottom one, and I'm gonna get these 2 side ones in. Here it is, all installed, everything's on it. Okay, now we got our master cylinder on here. This is our setup. This hose connects to the bleeder, and you can see here, I don't want to touch it because I don't have gloves on. I don't know how dirty it is, but that was our fluid is really dirty, and it's starting to get cleaner as we go. And then you pump it 3 times. On the 3rd pump, you hold the brake down, then you open the bleeder, and this is going to be our 2nd time through. Alright, well that's going to be the end for today's video, changing the master cylinder here on our 1935 Ford. If you want to see more videos of this car, go check out my 1935 Ford playlist. But don't forget to please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.